Thanks for watching another episode of Pro Street TV. Today we are giving you a beginner-friendly guide on how to install a turbo on your car. Want to unleash your car's hidden power? Turbocharging is a popular way to boost performance, but the installation process can be daunting. A turbocharger is a device that uses exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which forces more air into the engine, allowing it to burn more fuel and generate more power. This results in increased horsepower and torque without significantly increasing engine size. If you are adding a turbo to your vehicle, you will need the manifold, turbo and plumbing for oil and water. Do not underestimate these requirements. When it comes to planning your turbo upgrade, always make sure to plan ahead. Planning ahead and keeping extra funds in your budget can make all the difference in the world. As with anything, planning ahead will go a long way towards success. Research your vehicle to see what you need. But if you found your way here, you want to add a turbo to your naturally aspirated car. Choosing the right turbocharger is crucial to match your engine's displacement, airflow needs and intended use, whether it's daily driving, racing, or towing. The wrong turbo can lead to poor performance, turbo lag, or even engine damage. Essential tools and equipment. You'll need quite a few tools, especially if you want to add a turbo to your vehicle. A lift, tools, and plumbing hardware is the bare minimum. Begin by removing the old exhaust manifold or header and installing the new turbo manifold, ensuring proper gasket alignment and torque specs. When you can, it could help to look into kits that are pre-made into what you want to do. This saves you a lot of time and money when someone has already done the planning for you. If you've bought a kit, now you've got to install the intercooler, routing the charge pipes, and securing all clamps. You cannot allow any leaks at this stage. Always double-check every connection, vacuum lines, clamps, gaskets, and couplers, to ensure they're tight and properly sealed. Pressure test the system before driving to catch any hidden leaks, and guarantee peak turbo performance. After installing a turbo kit, professional tuning is essential to adjust fuel delivery, ignition timing, and boost levels through the ECU, ensuring the engine runs safely and efficiently under increased load. Without proper tuning, you risk running lean, causing detonation, or damaging critical engine components. Monitoring engine gauges like boost, AFR, and oil pressure is crucial to catch issues early and protect your turbo system. Regular maintenance is not mandatory. Locating a dyno shop near you is the best possible course. This allows tuners to ensure you have enough fuel, the proper spark and the added safety to your power. Need help with your turbo upgrade? Leave us a message below. And thank you for watching Pro Street TV.